What is up, beautiful people of YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today is the first day of Tater's summer break. So we are going to celebrate it by going out and doing a little bit of shooting. Figured it'd be a nice break from some of the motorcycle content and show you guys some of the different stuff we do in our lives. So we're out here in Washington County, Missouri, to a little place we like to shoot. It's about an hour and a half drive from our house, but it's worth it. It's gorgeous out here, and it's usually pretty quiet. So we will catch back up with you guys in just a second. Hand up high, okay? Yeah, no. Use your other hand up high. Your left hand, yeah. Fill that space on the grips, okay? Alright guys, so we're leaving the range now. I didn't record a whole lot there because A, I'm the worst YouTuber ever, and B, to me, even though I've been doing YouTube for a year now, it's still really taboo to like film in public. So that's something I've never quite gotten over. So yeah. But pretty much I put together a new rifle a couple weeks ago, and we were just making sure it worked. So like I said, we spent about 2 hours here. Fired a few hundred rounds, everything worked flawless, and I think now we're gonna go get some cold drinks.
Yeah.
Cold drinks. So we will catch right back up with you guys.
Hey guys, it's Tater Tot. My dad's over there driving. We just got Dairy Queen. Well, I got an Oreo shake, and my dad got a vanilla malt, so we're heading home.
Well guys, I guess we're going to wrap up this video. It's a short one, but I figured we would show you that we are more than what you get to see every week, which is motorcycle stuff. So remember, there's big changes coming, and there's going to be a lot of different content coming up with those big changes. I can't wait to bring you guys along. We love each and every one of you guys. Thanks for the support. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on social media, and we're out.
Bye.